What is up, everyone? I hope y'all are having a great day today. So I am currently heading down to the beach to meet up with some friends to go out one last time before snapper season ends. I'm going to shoot some clips out on the water and throw them together, so I hope y'all enjoy. So we're going about 20 miles or so offshore in a 17-foot Scout. Normally wouldn't go this far out on this size boat, but the water's supposed to be fairly calm, but we'll see. So as you can see, there is a pretty big storm way off to the left, but we have been tracking it on the radar all morning, so we're good to go. So we did manage to catch our limit of 2 snapper per person. We are using pogie and squid as bait. Definitely not the biggest snapper out there, but it was still a great time out on the water. Now that snapper season is over, it's time to go hook up on some amberjack. Until next year.